Hey y'all, this is Ryan with TrendLizard.com. By request, I'm going to take a look at Micron technology, ticker MU, today. We did a video on it in the past and just wanted to update that to assist somebody who is trying to figure out what is going on here in the Elliott Wave pattern. So just starting with the ultra super long-term view here, its inception back in 1989. Big up move. It doesn't look like we got all of that move. But just because it was incepted in 89 doesn't mean we get the full span of what was going on with the company. So we believe that this was the completion of a five-wave advance. Most importantly, this massive pullback that happened here 2000 to 2009. As huge as it is, it's a very clear three-wave move, so that kind of sets the stage and indicates that the overall long-term trend is up. What's happened off the 2009 low isn't super exciting in that, obviously there's huge up legs and it's been a massive gain for whoever bought it. So in that respect, it's exciting. But you get this up leg, very trendy. You get a counter trend pullback. You get another up leg and another pullback that has proven to be counter trend, but you get overlap here with this high. And then you get another up leg and then another pullback, and again you're getting overlap. So it's a little hard to figure out exactly where it is within the advancing pattern. In fact, it's possible that it's a counter trend move and eventually will turn down, but I don't think we need to worry ourselves with that. I think what we need to worry about is every individual midterm up leg, just to make sure that it's still trendy and that pullbacks are counter trend moves, and that looks like that is what's happening again off the 2016 low. So if you're trading this thing, I think your focus needs to be 2016 and beyond, and except for kind of checking where things are on the long-term time frame once in a while, from a trading perspective, this is all you care about. So we're going to zoom in on that. It's a nice move off the 2016 low, very clearly a five-wave advance. You had a pullback here. It looks like a three-wave move. Found support around a 61.8% retracement of this up leg, which is a very major support level that we keep an eye on. Since it did that in late 2018, it has been kind of working its way higher since then. It's about doubled in value off of that low, so that is not a bad move. There are some questions about the nature of this advance off the 2019 low, which is also the case with the overall market, especially global markets right now, and seeing what they're doing. We need to confirm that this is the resumption of the uptrend and that we're not going to get a larger ABC pullback off of that 2018 high. So, it's been kind of labored on the way up. It's not the cleanest move. It very well could be the development of a trendy move. It's just not apparently trendy at this point. So let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit more. Let's see this. So what matters here in determining if this is going to turn out to be a trendy move in the end? We can focus in on the advance off the October 2019 low. This move needs to continue to prove trendy and not turn into a huge pullback from here. If it does, this entire recovery off the 2019 low is going to prove to be a counter trend move, and that's where you find that you're getting a larger pullback off this high. So what we need to focus here on is the advance off of October's low. So that's what we're doing by zooming in here. This too looks like a trendy move. It looks like a nice trendy five-wave advance, and then you've had this back and forth action in 2020. It's definitely under pressure right now. Here's what needs to happen. Bottom line, okay? Micron MU needs to stay above 49 at all times. If it moves below that level, I become a lot less confident that this is actually a trendy move. Instead, I would think that it's more of a counter trend B wave and that a larger pullback is going to form. If it can stay above 49 and turn back up above 58, it's going to continue to look bullish, and I think you're going to go with a labeling like this that has this as the resumption of the uptrend and expect it to continue much higher from here. So I think that's what's at stake. Overall, it looks bullish to me either way. You have a nice trendy five-wave advance. This is a counter trend move regardless. We already know that this move is counter trend. So the trend is still up. The only question is, has the uptrend resumed off the late 2018 low, or are we going to get a larger counter trend pullback first? So that's what's at stake. It needs to stay above 49 if the uptrend has already resumed. If it moves below there, I would expect to move all the way back down towards 30 before the uptrend resumes. So hope that's helpful. That's what I got for you. Hey, come visit us at TrendLizard.com. We're doing this stuff on all the major ETFs every day of the week, keeping you on the right side of the market. So have a great day. Talk to you soon.